This is Be Creative with Peter. We're here to shoot Milky Way at these sweet rock formations. Tonight we're shooting with the Sony A7R IV. I have my L bracket on. We're shooting with the 16 to 35 millimeter lens. We're shooting with a shutter release because we don't want to touch the shutter button, because if we push down the shutter button while it's on the tripod, it's gonna pick up the vibration of your finger, and you're gonna get a slightly blurry picture. So we don't want that. So how do we shoot it? We're gonna put it in manual focus. We're gonna turn the lens, and on the back of the camera we have focus peaking on. So as we're turning it, we see whatever color you set it on, either red, yellow, blue, white. I have mine set to red. So as we see the red appear in the sky, the little spots of red, we know we're good. We hit the shutter release, we wait, then we check the picture. Once that's good to go, I can start my time lapse. I can shoot vertically as well, so that's why I have my L bracket on.